Hi, my name is Mohammed and today I am going to explain to you the print statement and the assignment operator. So let's get started. To print out the value of some variable in console, you write System.out.print, then you write the variable name. Now, let's make it first a comment so that we can use this fact and it won't be executed. Let's give you an example. So we could say double fire rate is equal to 1.3, for example, 1.3. Now we can print its value with the print statement. Now if we try to run the program, we should see 1.3 here. As you can see, 1.3 was printed down here. Now what would happen if we tried to make it have two print statements? Let me show you how. Like this. Now if you try to run this program, you might say that 1.3 will be printed in two lines, or it will be in the same line with the spaces, but no. The second print statement start printing 1.3 starting from the end of the first statement. So when the first statement printed the 1.3, the second print statement started from the end of the first statement. So now I advise you to try adding more variables with different data types and try printing them and see what you can get from these print statements. Now to print out the value 1.3 in two lines, we could simply add ln in both statements. The first statement will print 1.3 in the first line and the second one will print it in another line. So let's run this program and see this. As you can see, 1.3 was printed in two lines. Now let's dive into another topic. Remember the equal sign we used to define variables? That's one. Well, the name is true in math, but here in Java we call it the assignment operator. It's used to assign values to variables. So in this example we assigned 1.3 to fire rate. And guess what? We can use it multiple times. So we could say fire rate is equal to 2.4, for example. Let me make only one print statement and copy it and print it after we assign it another value. Now in this case, if we look at the code from start to end, we see that we assign 1.3 to the fire rate as a double value. Now then we print the 1.3 in a new line, so we should have, let me clear it, so we should have 1.3 here. Then we assign a new value to fire rate, which is 2.4, then 2.4 will be printed in the new line. Let's check this. And as you can see here, we first print 1.3 in the first line, then we change the value to 2.4 using the assignment operator. Then we printed 2.4 in a new line. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.